Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are describing a photo that shows some volleyball players. So we will be using some sports vocabulary. Here is the very beautiful photo. I will describe this photo at 3 different levels of difficulty: elementary level, intermediate level, and for those of you who are very confident in your English, an advanced level. Let's start with an elementary level description. In this picture, I see people playing volleyball on the beach. There is a net in the middle, and one player is jumping to hit the ball. The sand looks soft under their feet. The sky is orange because it is almost sunset. The team looks like they're having fun together. Here's a list of vocabulary: beach, sunset, volleyball, net, player, jump, hit, sand, sky, team. Now let's move on to an intermediate description. In this photo, the players appear as dark silhouettes because of the bright light behind them. One person is getting ready to defend, while another is trying to respond to the serve. The whole moment feels lively, and the pace of the rally looks pretty fast. The sky is full of warm colors, which makes the beach setting look relaxed even though the game seems competitive. It really feels like a fun match at the end of the day. And here's some vocabulary: silhouette, defend, respond, serve, lively, pace, rally, warm colors, beach setting, competitive. Now let's look at an advanced level description. In this shot, the players are moving across the sand court, and one person is jumping to spike the ball. Another player is already shifting into defensive positioning to try to block it, while someone in the back prepares to receive if the ball comes through. Because of the strong backlight, you can clearly see the ball's trajectory as it travels over the net. Their quick footwork kicks up the sand, and you can feel the anticipation as they react to each move. It really looks like serious competitive play rather than a casual game. And here's some advanced level vocabulary: spike, block, receive, court, trajectory, footwork, anticipation, defensive positioning, backlight, and competitive play. Okay, here's the photo one more time. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and leave a comment if there's any vocabulary or anything you'd like to see in a future video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful week and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.